Animal Essentials, Plant Enzyme, and Probiotics, for dogs plus cats, 10.6 ounces, 300 grams. Product Overview Description. Digestive Supplement for Dogs plus Cats, National Animal Supplement Council, Quality Seal. Replenishes beneficial bacteria, probiotic, that support digestive flora and enzymes that assist with the breakdown of starches, proteins, triglycerides and fats, and cellulose, plant materials and fiber, in the diet. Suggested use. Recommended feeding. Use daily on food. Dogs, 1/4 teaspoon for each 30 pounds of the dog's body weight, once daily. Cats, 1/4 teaspoon, once daily. Refrigerate after opening to assure optimum freshness and viability. Other ingredients. Guaranteed analysis. Per 1 gram. Alpha and beta amylase, Aspergillus orzye, 3150 DU/G1. Protease, Aspergillus oryzae and Bacillus subtilus, 20500 HUT/G2. Lipase, Aspergillus niger, 265 Lu/G3. Cellulase, Trichoderma longibrachiotum, 110 Cu/G4. Hemicellulase, Trichoderma longibrachiotum, 100 HCU/G5. Bromelain, pineapple, 20,000 FCC/G6. Bacillus coagulans, probiotic, 100 million/G7. Not recognized as an essential nutrient by the AAFCO dog or cat food nutrient profiles. 1. Activity, 52.5 gram dextrinized starch, minute/gram. 2. Activity, 22,550 liberated tyrosine units, minute/gram. 3. Activity, 265 micromoles of fatty acid, min/gram. 4. Activity minus 1.1 milligrams glucose, minute/gram. 5. Activity, relative fluidity change of 20, minute/gram. 6. Activity, tyrosine, minute/gram. 7. Lactobacillus sporogens equals Bacillus coagulans 100 million, gram. Calcium sulfate, dried fermentation products of, Aspergillus oryzae var, Aspergillus niger var, Bacillus subtilus var, Trichoderma longibrachiotum, pineapple, Bacillus coagulans. Contains no lactose, sugars or preservatives. Contains a source of live, viable, naturally occurring microorganisms. Warnings. Cautions: safe use in pregnant animals or animals intended for breeding has not been proven. If animal's condition worsens or does not improve, discontinue use and consult your veterinarian. Store in a cool, dry place. For use in animals only. Keep out of reach of children and animals for which this product is not intended. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.